So now dear student, see which part we left here, so that I am going to start from here. Universal set. So what is the universal set? So now see, universal set means कि ऐसा सेट कि जिसमें बाकी सब सेट्स के एलिमेंट्स आते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने आप लोगों को दिया था आपके क्लास का एग्जाम्पल. तो सपोज यहाँ पे अगर सपोज वी वांट इन योर स्कूल, अगर स्कूल में ऐसे सपोज हमने अज्यूम किया A is the set of the student which play cricket. मतलब A is the set of the student which play cricket, and B is the set of the student which play kho-kho. So now suppose in the set A, the cricket खेलने वाले जो भी बच्चे, they are from the class 8th standard, and in the set B, those students are playing kabaddi, they are from the class 9th. So it means what? A and B sets elements are the different. Means A set elements are nothing but from the class 8, and the B sets element are nothing but from the class 9. But agar if we are going to think, so see, class wise they are separated. Means class wise set A and set B are different. But if we are going to think about the school, so they belongs to the same school. मतलब क्लास डिफरेंट है, बट वो दोनों जो टीम्स है कबड्डी एंड क्रिकेट के, वो कहाँ कौन सा वो एक स्कूल रिप्रेजेंट करने वाली है. सो दैट टाइम इट मीन्स व्हाट, जस्ट बिकॉज सेट ए एंड सेट बी के एलिमेंट्स डिफरेंट है, बट दैट दे बिलोंग्स टू द वन स्कूल, सो दैट बिकम द स्कूल इज़ द यूनिवर्सल सेट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सपोज अगर हम लेने वाले हैं कि इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू टेक द सेट ए इज़ द सेट ऑफ द कंट्री इंडिया, श्रीलंका, ऑस्ट्रेलिया. सपोज इसका लिया हो सेट बी, इफ वी टूक द सेट ऑफ द कंट्री लाइक द यूएसए, यूके, इस तरह से सपोज हमने यहाँ सपोज वी कैन टेक द अफ्रीका. इस तरह से हमने सेट बी अलग कंट्रीज ली. सो व्हाट हैपन, सी ए एंड द बी, in the set A whatever the countries are there they are different, and in the set B whatever the countries are there they are different. But if we see this, all the countries of the set A and B they are nothing but the part of the earth. means ये जो सब है वो कहाँ पे आते हैं, this all are nothing but the part of the earth. So it means what, earth is the universal set. मतलब just because the below state are the part of the earth, so these two, so therefore the full earth या full universe are nothing but the universal set. जिस तरह से हमने क्लास का एग्जाम्पल, टीम के एग्जाम्पल्स लिए, मतलब कबड्डी एंड क्रिकेट खेलने वाली टीम अलग अलग है, बट वो टीम्स दोनों टीम्स एक सेम स्कूल रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है. सो दैट्स वाई स्कूल इज़ द यूनिवर्सल सेट, एंड that two teams are nothing but the subset of that universal set. तो यहाँ पे if with the help of sum, if you want to identify, so how we are going to see, suppose use set के elements I gave the here, that is A from the A to K alphabets, and A set's elements are what, D and E, and C set's elements are what, G and H. If you observe, so A set's elements are nothing but the part of universal set, and C sets element are nothing but the part is they are also the part of this set. So it means what, the U set is the universal set of the A and C. You can say, and always keep in the mind that universal sets is always the subset. मतलब A and C are the subsets of the universal set. universal set के अंदर जो भी sets आते हैं वो उसके हमेशा subset रहते हैं. and universal set means what, उस set के अंदर बाकी जो उसके नीचे set थे उनके हर एक elements रहते हैं. that set is called as the universal set. So now with the help of that we have to write down, we have to solve the question number 2. So question number 2 is what given, they are saying take a set of natural number from 1 to 20 as universal set. तो ये जो set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 we have to take as a universal set, and always keep in mind the universal set always denoted by the U. तो suppose that we take as a U. So what they are saying, in that universal set which numbers are there, 1 to 20. So inside that we have to write the 1 to 20 numbers. So here I am going to write down and here the bracket close. Universal set we wrote. After that what they are saying, when you show the universal set, after that set show set x and set y using a Venn diagram. So this set x and y we have to show with the help of the universal diagram, Venn diagram. So see for the set x and u we are going to show with the help of the Venn diagram, and then universal set and x. So first one I will explain. So first what here it is given according to rule method. So always keep in mind whenever we want to draw the Venn diagram, so that time we have to convert that set into the listening method. So here x is what x such that x belongs to n, and they are saying here 7 is less than x and it is the less than x and x is less than 50. Here it is the less than sign. So its meaning what, ये जो x सेट है उसके एलिमेंट्स आर व्हाट, इट्स बिलोंग्स टू व्हाट, नेचुरल नंबर, मतलब उसके एलिमेंट्स नेचुरल नंबर्स है. एंड नेचुरल नंबर्स आर नथिंग बट व्हाट, नेचुरल नंबर्स आर नथिंग बट द नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 2 3 4 डॉट डॉट डॉट. डन. सो नाउ मतलब ये जो x है दे आर नथिंग बट दिस नेचुरल नंबर्स, बट उनकी वहाँ पे उन्होंने दे गेव द चेंज. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, दैट नेचुरल नंबर्स आर, इट इज़ व्हाट लेस is they are मतलब x is what greater than 7 but less than the 15. सी यहाँ अगर 7 की तरफ साइन होता तो 7 इज ग्रेटर एंड x इज लेटर, बट x की तरफ पर फेस है, तो इट मीन्स व्हाट, ये जो x वैल्यू है इस x सेट का इट इज़ बिगर दैन 7. तो 7 से बिगर नंबर आर व्हाट 8 9 10 all the numbers. But after that what they are saying, now just think about these two. So here it is what x less than 15, but वो जो x है वो किससे कम है, it is less than 15. तो less than 15 number means what, till the 14 number. And if you see here तो it is what x is greater than 7, मतलब वो x की जो वैल्यूज है ये 7 से बिगर है, तो 7 से बिगर मीन्स व्हाट 8. सो इट मीन्स व्हाट, इसका मतलब 7 इज लेस दैन x. सो इट मतलब व्हाट 8 9 10 ऑनवर्ड्स होते, एंड द x इज लेस दैन 15 मीन्स 15 से कम है, तो 15 से x इज लेस दैन 15 मतलब 15 इट मोर, तो 15 से कम इज व्हाट 14 13 ये नंबर. सो इट मीन्स व्हाट दिस x वैल्यूज आर नथिंग बट इट इज इन बिटवीन फ्रॉम द नंबर्स 8 to 15 मतलब means less than 15. So here x element is what, 7 से bigger number which one, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, and here it what they are saying, it is x is less than 15. तो 15 से लेस व्हाट 14, तो यहाँ तक ही हमें लिखना है. सो दिस आर द पार्ट ऑफ द these are the element of the set x according to the universal method. So for these two sets we have to draw the Venn diagram. So now see here 8 9 10 11, this all the sets are the part of these sets, this all the elements are in the set 11. See 8 to the 14, yes it is there. So means this we have to shown into the Venn diagram. तो in Venn diagram I told you जो सबसेट होता है तो indirectly it is what, x is a subset of u. सो इसका मतलब क्या है, सबसेट जो होता है वो वी शोन इनसाइड एंड यूनिवर्सल सेट वी हैव टू शोन इनटू द रेक्टेंगल. तो फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू शो द सेट x. So here you have to draw the x and all the elements you have to randomly write down here. So it is what 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 done. And now the remaining u and the x के लिए we have to draw the Venn diagram. So now this square this rectangle for the universal set names always you have to give outside, and then remaining all the elements which you wrote in the x but they are the part of the set u that you have to write down. इसका मतलब वो क्या है, 8 और 14 छोड़ के बाकी सब remaining elements you have to write down into this box. So these are what 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 8 we are going to write down? No, because 8 to 14 we already wrote here, so there is no need to write down that one. And next 15, 16, 17, 18 and the 19 and last one the 20. Like this you have to do. So here we did the Venn diagram for the universal set and the given set. So similarly you have to do for Venn diagram for the second one. So that is what? Y. So now just I will give you here which number will come. See what they are saying, y is a set of y such that y belongs to what? Natural numbers. मतलब ये न सब numbers है. But y is the prime numbers from 1 to 20. तो prime number 1 to 20 कौन से? तो according to the listening method what will become? 1 to 20 prime numbers. Prime numbers means that numbers comes in their own table. Yeah, you can divide by 1 and itself only. So वो number कौन से? See 1 and 2 is not there. So 3, 5, then 7. After that 9 is coming, 11, 13, 14, 15. 14 is coming in 7th table, 15 also coming, 16 and the 17 and last one the 19. So these are the prime numbers. So for these prime numbers like this you have to draw the Venn diagram. So similarly circle y's elements, write down all this element inside and बाकी सब remaining to the universal. तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Now see here, मतलब U ये जो set है it is the set of this element and plus this one also. Getting everyone? So now I hope everyone understood. So second is your homework plus question number 1 which we did on the Google Meet and plus some theory part I am going to send you. So what you have to do, first write down all that theory part and then give the heading practice at 1.3, then solve question number 1 and then solve this question number 2. Clear? Thank you.